चाहे लिखा हुआ क्यों ना हो, डिसीजंस तो लाइफ में हमें ही लेने हैं। कहानी सिर्फ लिखी हुई रहेगी जब तक एक किरदार उसे परफॉर्म नहीं करेगा।
Hello and welcome, guys. So I am very proud to announce that today I am having a special guest, Vanika Santani, with us. And hello, Vanika.
Hi, I'm here.
So how are you?
I am good. I am perfectly, I'm doing decent, which is enough these days. So yeah, I'm doing great.
And how is your lockdown going?
Lockdown is treating me well. I'm writing more. I am working on myself more. I'm coming up with more ideas. I'm working on a
Yes.
startup. So very hectic, but yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Okay, so guys, talking about Vanika is she founded her own social welfare organization at the age of 16, and she is an expert in content creation. And apart from that, she is a speaker and a performer, and performed at various platforms like YouTube. And like there are two poems of yours, storytelling videos on YouTube, which is my personal favorite. The first is Imperfecto Tum Bhi,
Yes.
and the second is Ab Bhagwan Kahan Hai. So
Yes.
these two are my personal favorite. And so moving forward to this show, I want to tell the agenda of today's episode. The first round is about question answers from my side, and the second round is about talent round, and the third round is about rapid fire round, and all these will be followed by question answers from the audience round.
Oh wow.
So is this cool?
Yes, of course it is. I'm very excited for the rapid fire.
Yes, it will be exciting. So let's start from I want you to introduce to the audience a short introduction of yours.
ओके सो स्टोरी ये है कि स्टोरी अभी शुरू हुई है।
Yes.
हालांकि बहुत साल हो गए हैं, हालांकि 19 साल हो गए हैं, बट आई फील द स्टोरी हैज जस्ट स्टार्टेड बिकॉज these are the time, these are the years when we finally go into the real world and we finally start doing something. मतलब जब स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं तो एक बैक सपोर्ट होता है कि अभी तो बहुत साल पड़े हैं, अभी कहानी शुरू हुई है, अभी रियल वर्ल्ड को फेस करेंगे, देखते हैं कहाँ जाएंगे। पर पिछले कुछ सालों में the 4-5 years of in the 4-5 past years, I think I've had the best time anybody could ever have. I have met over 500 kids from different parts of the country, and
Okay.
I have really interacted with them. I have been a part of their families. I have been part of their celebrations, which is something that I celebrate my life about. So I think it has been a good journey. उसके साथ साथ थोड़ा लिखने का शौक है. I love to write. I love to have poems, and I think that's the thing. I experience it from the world, and I try to paint it with a brush of my pen. So yeah, that's it.
Basically, you are a multi-talented.
No, not multi-talented. लोग कहते हैं कि मैं focused कम हूँ, but I think ज़्यादा चीज़ें करने आती हैं, तो कोशिश करती हूँ जो भी चीज़ खुशी देती है वो चीज़ ज़्यादा तक की जाए.
Okay. So my question is how is your journey from social organization to storyteller to a writer to a performer? So how's that?
स्टोरी ये है कि मैं बिल्कुल सोचती नहीं हूँ. जब भी कोई चीज़ करने की इच्छा होती है तो वो कर लेती हूँ. और अगर वो चीज़ अच्छी जाती है तो उसको कंटिन्यू कर लेती हूँ, पर अगर उसमें कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगता है तो कोशिश करती हूँ कि अच्छी हो सकूँ. सो व्हेन आई फर्स्ट स्टार्टेड राइटिंग, आज जब मैं पुराने पोस्ट पढ़ती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि अरे मैंने कहा क्यों बेइज्जती करा रहे हो अपनी, क्यों लिखा क्यों था ये. बट आई थिंक द ओनली रीजन when I was not I am good today is because when I was not good, when I was not great, when I did not know things, I still wanted to know things and I still wanted to experiment. So जब नहीं आता था तब कोशिश की आने की, तो आज शायद आ गया है. So I think that, and I have always been like an attention seeker. I always love to get attention. Everybody wants attention, everybody wants love, so I'm like no other. So when I started off with my own organization, my motive was getting attention. But as soon as I went on field and I realized what the realities were, जब मैं उन लोगों से मिली, उनके परिवार को जाना, तब मुझे realize हुआ कि it's better being what is more satisfying is being an attention giver rather than being an attention seeker.
Yes.
जब देते हैं तो ज़्यादा खुशी मिलती है instead of जब मिलता है. So I think that was the motive, and yeah.
Yes, that like love the point. Like art of giving is very important.
Exactly. Like it's the
What
most
keep-
beautiful thing.
Yes, you can carry on.
Yeah. No, it's done. Thank you.
Okay. So what keeps you going in your journey?
What keeps me going is the best experiences that I have, the stories that I have, of course. कई बार ऐसे इंस्टेंसेस हुए हैं जब किसी ने मुझे उनकी खुद की फैमिली से भी ज़्यादा प्यार किया है. कई ऐसे
Okay.
इंस्टेंसेस हुए हैं जब people have appreciated me more than what I have deserved. So I have to keep going to just getting to a place where I deserve all the love I have already got.
Yes.
So just because of the past great experiences, the past best experiences, I try to fight with the things that come in my way, things that try to stop me. Just because all the love that I get, I think that is something that keeps me going.
Okay. Yes, वो प्यार important है mainly.
Right.
वो बेस्ट है. और इसके पीछे विजन क्या है पूरा, लाइक फ्यूचर प्लानिंग. मेनली अपन पहले बात करेंगे सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से रिलेटेड. इसका क्या विजन रहा है?
विजन ये रहा है कि कोई भी इंसान बुरा नहीं है. कोई भी इंसान को शायद किसी इंसान को इसलिए नहीं आता क्योंकि उसे सिखाया नहीं गया है. अगर सिखाओ तो किसी को कोई भी उस जगह तक आ सकता है जब उसे सब कुछ आता हो. अगर कोशिश की जाए तो वो सारे गैप्स को ब्रिज किया जा सकता है जो सोसाइटी में भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. So that was the motive, and I feel love is something that can heal everything. So when you start giving love to those who need it the most, you'll get love in best of its form. So just trying to be better with my organization to make someone better. So I think that is the vision. Just try and spread love, to try and heal everything with the little that I have. And I think it has always been an inspiring journey because kabhi bhi kam nahi tha dene ko. Every time I had enough to give. Every time there was a magical power that gave me everything that I needed to give, and so much more. So that is the thing that, yeah.
Yeah, that's great. So, like, before moving to our storytelling questions, I want to ask कि like current problems है अपने आसपास. So what you saw around your, like, if we can solve through your social organization, so what are the challenges?
I feel right now with COVID-19 and the entire lockdown thing going on, there is so much that we can do. Like, not as an organization, I feel it has always been about doing as an individual, because when you start doing it as an individual, you become you initiate a human chain of doing good. You initiate a human chain of being kind. You initiate a human chain of being spreading happiness, spreading love. So I think when you start taking every opportunity that comes in your way, so for example feeding the stray dogs, or maybe helping anybody, or just giving someone who comes at your door to asking for help, is one thing that you need to take opportunity as it comes. You do not have to look for opportunities around. तुम्हारे पास ऑलरेडी इतना सब कुछ है देने के लिए, और इतने सारे लोग हैं कि तुम, I don't think we should look for things to give. So I think that is the case. अभी जितना भी हम कर सकते हैं as an individual, because in my story also, अब भगवान का I have told, I firmly believe in this fact that we all have goodness within us, and we need to always like let that goodness flourish, let that goodness shine, and give as we get an opportunity to give, which is and opportunities are all around.
Okay, great. So like as you discuss about the stray dogs, so like I am also helping them, but मतलब कैसे आप अपन अवेयरनेस अपने इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे कर सकते हैं, लाइक लोगों को अवेयर.
See, as I
एक
told
ट्राई
you that
बहुत किया.
it's about starting a human chain. You know 10 people,
Yes.
you ask them to do so. You ask people, out of that 10 people, maybe 2 will start doing it. Then these 2 people will start telling it to 10 people. So this is how you form one human chain, because that is how my organization also started. I started with the 10 people that I already had, and these 10 people, 10, 20 more. And that is how in the first event that I organized with my organization, by the third day, it was a 3-day event.
Yes.
And by the third day itself, we had around 50 people who already wanted to join our organization. So you need to keep doing good, keep sharing it with people. It's like जमाना चला गया वो जब एक हाथ से करते हैं और दूसरे हाथ को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए. Now if you're doing good,
हाँ.
you need to tell it. You need to tell it to inspire others, because that is how you form one human chain that people will start joining in, and that is how you inspire people. So I think that is something.
Okay, so we have to start the human chain.
Yeah,
Yes, and it will start within yourself.
right.
That's the key. So, if we talk about the storytelling, so what's your process behind story formation?
स्टोरी फॉर्मेशन ऐसा है कि जब भी बहुत गंदा प्रोसेस है. मतलब जब भी थोड़ा सा भी खाली टाइम होता है, मे बी बिफोर स्लीपिंग, बिफोर गेटिंग टू स्लीप, और लाइक एनी पॉइंट इन टाइम ऑफ द डे, my brain is like an ocean of thoughts. It has so much within it. Like it sometimes I feel ki it starts to explode. There are times in the night when I am not able to sleep because there is so much going on, and I need to, at that point of time, I just need to go at a floor where I write, and I need to pick up my diary, and I need to write everything that I'm thinking so that I'm able to sleep. So it starts off with just random thoughts that comes with movies, experiences, and like the art other people create. So whenever I get inspired from something else, from experiences, from movies, from art of other people, so that is when I start to create something of my own. So that is the process: getting inspiration from someone else, thinking about it, writing it down in terms of a thought, and then maybe formulating it in form of a story, or sometimes poem, or sometimes anything that comes in. Amusing, a story, an article, maybe a diary entry. So that is the case.
Okay, so can you share one trick to कि अपन कैसे thoughts, तो जैसे बात करी कि बहुत सारे आते रहते हैं पूरे दिन,
हाँ.
इनका क्या एक कोई ट्रिक आप शेयर कर सको?
ट्रिक ये है कि कोई ट्रिक नहीं है, तुम्हें जैसे वो थॉट आता है ना, बस वैसे ही लिख दो, and then try to keep working on it in the way that you want to work on it. Do not see others, do not see how people are writing. When you write something of your own, maybe in the poorest of language that you can, if it's making sense, it's the most beautiful thing that you can ever write. It's about the thought and not the process. So never think of a trick, never think of what people are how people are doing. Just do it as you like. Just do it to please yourself. Do it to just get that thought out of your head, and then everything will start to fall in place.
Okay, great. So what do you enjoy the most, like to write it or to perform it?
Both has like दोनों का अलग अपना जगह है. जब मैं लिखती हूँ तो मैं बहुत excited हो जाती हूँ, मतलब कि I cannot stop writing. Like before this before this live only, I was working on a piece, and I just had 15 minutes before the live start, and I had just started writing the letter, and I got so excited that I couldn't stop. I texted you थोड़ा देर से. I delayed in texting because I was just finishing that piece, because I get so excited when I'm writing and the thoughts are pouring in and I'm able to write it. And when I'm performing, it's like I'm revising everything that I've written. I'm appreciating what I have already written. I'm appreciating my own thoughts. So that is a different process, and both have its own its own space in my life. And I don't think दोनों के बिना ही मैं रह पाऊंगी. I don't think एक की वैल्यू दूसरे के बिना होगी और दूसरे की वैल्यू उसके बिना होगी. But I just try to do it as I feel. Sometimes I write pieces that I do not perform. So I think both have their own spaces in my life.
Okay. So challenges like writing में क्या क्या है और performing में क्या क्या है? If we talk about challenges.
राइटिंग में चैलेंजेस ये है कि ब्लॉक आ जाता है, कई बार तुम नहीं लिख पाते. और दूसरा चैलेंज जो मेरे साथ हमेशा होता है वो ये होता है कि आपको ज्यादा लिखना होता है.
Yes.
कई बार आपको इतना लिखना होता है कि आप लिखते ही रहते हो और फिर लोग पढ़ना छोड़ देते हैं या फिर आपका बेस्ट आना बंद हो जाता है. सो द प्रॉब्लम विद मी इज दैट आई लव टू राइट सो मच दैट आई कैन स्पेंड माई एंटायर डे राइटिंग, जस्ट राइटिंग. I can write everything about anything and everything, and I can just write. So sometimes the problem that comes in is when I'm writing, I'm not at my best. So I have to stop myself from writing. So one of the problems that I face while writing is to stop writing instead of facing a block, which other writers face. And sometimes I too face that. But problem with me is that I love writing so much that I keep writing. And people get bored and people get annoyed because of it. So that is the case. And with performing, I feel performing may sometimes. So when I first started performing, I used to watch so many videos of so many other artists like Helisha, Amandeep. I used to watch their videos so much that मेरे को पता नहीं चला कि कब मैं उनकी तरह बोलने लग गई. And even though my poetry and my stories were good in my initial phases, I was not able to give it my best because I was trying to be somebody, which I was not. So sometimes हम लोग किसी और की तरह, हम लोग चाहे कितना भी अच्छा कंटेंट क्यों ना लिखे, हम परफॉर्म किसी और की तरह करने लग जाते हैं क्योंकि हमें हम आइडियलाइज कर लेते हैं कि अगर अच्छा परफॉर्म करना है तो उनकी तरह करना है. So if you want to perform, just perform it the way you want it. Do not perform it because in a way जो दूसरे के लिए अच्छा जा रहा है. So yeah. So see, I told you now I write so much that somebody has written, hey, yes, it's irritated to read your captions. I know I write too much sometimes. But I'm glad that people still read. There are people who are still reading and it is helping them. So that is something that keeps me going. I try to control, but I really can't. But it's a fun process. I love it.
Okay, it's great. So in performing, the observation is the key.
Yeah, exactly.
You can consume content like content on the YouTube. So that's
you can consume, but realize that they are they and you are you. You will never be like them, and you are the truest version of what you can be. So just be you. So that is the case.
Great. So having such a great reach and you are doing some amazing work from age of 16. So how did you develop your social skills and communication skills and etc.?
Communication and social skills, I think only one thing that I keep repeating in this live and to everybody who asks me this is you have to be true. You cannot pretend to be like somebody. Like if even if it was see, right now I was writing, I did not think of how I'm looking and stuff like that. I'm just as I look. I am just as messy as I was in the day. So it's like you do not try to be like somebody. You try to be like you. You try to say as you feel, and that is how people start to connect to you because you are true to them. People start to connect to you because you are telling them the truth. So truth connects. So just be true.
Okay. So, like that's it from the like you have covered the social skill. What about like stage fear and communication part?
See, there is this one favorite writer of mine. I wrote a letter to her today. She wrote in one of her quotes that she wants to be like rain, who has the courage to fall. So you have to get on the stage if you love the stage. You have to get on the stage. There are no skills that you need to learn. You just have to be true, and you just need to have the courage to speak. And eventually, and even if you fail, you need to keep falling and falling and falling, so that one day you learn how to stand, or you start standing on your own. So there is no technical skills There is nothing that somebody can teach you. You just have to keep going back to falling again. You need to have
Yes.
you need to keep having that courage to like fail every time, so that one fine day you finally become successful. So I think that
Okay.
is the case. You just need to have the courage to fall.
Great, great. So that's it from the communication part.
Great.
Okay, so as I was researching in your account, I found that you always talk about movie Tamasha.
Of course,
It is
of
must
course.
watch for this, like for the storytellers and for normal, normal youth also.
I think
So-
हर वो इंसान जिसका एक सपना है उसको तमाशा देखनी चाहिए, क्योंकि उसकी जिंदगी भी एक
हाँ।
तमाशा है.
Yes. तो basically main takeaways क्या है मूवी से?
Main takeaways. Okay.
Yes.
This is a recent post that is going to come up on my page. So I
Yes.
think for details you need to get a reference on that post. But if in simpler terms, if you ask me what were my takeaways from that movie is, firstly, it never takes time. It never takes time to fall in love. Secondly, second thing that we face, just a second. Second thing that I learned from Tamasha was that life is very simple, and
Yes.
हम लोग हमेशा ये सोचते हैं कि हमारी कहानी लिखी हुई है. सो तो हम कई चीजें शायद करते नहीं, ये सोचते हैं कि शायद वो हो जाएगा क्योंकि वो तो लिखा हुआ है. पर
हाँ.
चाहे लिखा हुआ क्यों ना हो, डिसीजंस तो लाइफ में हमें ही लेने हैं. कहानी सिर्फ लिखी हुई रहेगी जब तक एक किरदार उसे परफॉर्म नहीं करेगा.
हाँ.
So we need to have the courage to write our own story, to make that story happening for real, and to make it like a work of non-fiction. So
Hmm.
we need to have the courage to write our own stories. चाहे लिखी किसी ने क्यों ना हो, लिखनी तो फिर भी हमें ही है. So
हाँ.
that is something that I've learned from Tamasha.
Great, great. So I request all to watch it. Like
हाँ.
audience ऐसा है कि ऐसी मूवीज फ्लॉप्स हो जाती हैं, सारी
हाँ.
फ्लॉप, और जबकि बेस्ट स्टोरी होती है फिर भी, लेकिन
True.
मस्ट
I
वॉच.
think the 10 people who are watching this live, please watch Tamasha. अगर तुम तमाशा देख रहे हो और तुम्हें तमाशा उतनी पसंद है तो शायद मुझे तुम भी पसंद हो. Simple as that.